Starwood Property Trust. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Starwood Property Trust, but more specifically, my 10th dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. And this is very exciting. This is one of those investments that I made a while back, and it is paying not only dividends, because we're talking about dividends, but the average price has also gone up. The overall price of the stock has gone up. So this is always a very positive and exciting thing to see and experience. So in this video, once again, I'm talking about my 10th dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. Listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. On this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into it. Right now, you're looking at my stock portfolio, and today has been an interesting day in the stock market. So this is currently live. It's after hours, but it's currently live. So you can see right now, my portfolio is valued at $288,000, and currently it's down $1,376. Of course, this is going to fluctuate as I'm doing the video, but the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention before I talk about my 10th dividend payment is because today in my portfolio has been a very interesting and volatile day. So I'll show you guys from the beginning of the stock market when it opened here in Houston at 8:30 a.m. My portfolio was valued at $291,000. Obviously overnight, because Robinhood is doing overnight trading now, you can see what happened in my portfolio, right? So 290, basically here throughout the night, and then at 8:30 a.m. it was at 291. Then of course here you can see at 9:25 it was at 297, which is exciting. Then at 11:10 it was 299, which of course that's super exciting. And so that was 11:10 a.m. and right now it's 288. So talk about stock market volatility. I mean, this is a prime example. All right, so I'm going to jump in and show you guys my 10th dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. So as you can see here, this is my history with Starwood Property Trust. If I scroll down to the bottom, you see April 15th, 2021. Okay, so I've been invested with Starwood Property Trust for 2 years. It's currently July at the making of this video, right? So for over 2 years. Got my first dividend payment for $133, and at that time, Starwood Property Trust is paying 48 cents per share, and they're still paying 48 cents per share. So you have April 15th, then the next one, July, October. As you can see, they pay quarterly. That's number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and July the 17th is my 10th dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. Super exciting. As you can see, they're still paying 48 cents per share, and my most recent dividend payment was for $165.61. Now, my investment with Starwood Property Trust, I haven't done anything. I didn't do any extra buying. The only thing that occurred was every single month when I got the dividend investment, it was reinvested. So you see reinvested here, right? And then you see reinvested here on the April 15th, reinvested on the January 13th, reinvested. So you see at the very bottom, it's $133.21 was my first payment. And of course that was reinvested to grab some more shares because I automatically have Robinhood do that for me. And my latest one is for $165.61. That is over $30 of increase in dividend payment in 2 years. Now, of course, that doesn't sound like something super incredible. However, that's just 2 years. If we add another 20 years to that, that should be a very substantial amount that I'm going to be getting quarterly for a dividend payment. So that is super duper exciting. Here's where I stand overall with my position with Starwood Property Trust. So currently you guys can see Starwood is trading for $21.22. It's currently after hours, so there's literally nothing going on with Starwood Property Trust. Of course, different stocks have different things that happen after hours and they're still trading. So as you can see, the line is flat here at the end of the day. Okay, but my average cost per share, which I'm super excited about, is $17.70. I currently have 352 shares, and my total return here on the left is I'm up 19.91%, which happens to be $1,243.58. Now, anytime I'm in the green with an investment, I'm always like, man, I should have bought more shares, because of course I can always connect the dots looking backwards. I really can't connect the dots looking forward because forward hasn't really occurred yet. So I always kind of say that. But I wanted to make this video and show you guys once again my 10th dividend payment with Starwood Property Trust. The purpose of this channel is to show what's possible, especially when you make investments in companies that you believe. I think one of the easiest ways to be successful in the stock market is to look to invest in companies, number one, that you know about. Okay, you don't need to invest in some company you don't know. Like let's just keep it very simple. Invest in companies that you know, names that you know, right? And hopefully they pay dividends, because you have the control to find out if a company pays dividends or not. So if they pay dividend and it's a company that you know, then it's a little easier to invest, because if the price tanks for some reason in that particular company, that's a great opportunity for you to grab more shares and bring your average cost lower. Okay, and it's magic when you do that, because you're bringing your average cost lower. All right, and you're also making your dividend payment that you're going to get quarterly or monthly, it's going to be more. So just, be sure that you are, I guess, trying to research as much as possible before you spend your money. There's no real way to know if this is going to be a win for sure, because once again, we cannot connect the dots looking forward, right? Those events or things haven't taken place yet. So you can't not connect the dots moving forward. All right, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Let's take a look at my portfolio, where it is right now. So it's at 289, so it's up almost 650 bucks since I started this video. So you can see I'm only down 650 right now, as opposed to 13 something in the beginning of the video. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.